I fly? No,
Maybe.
you fall.
Okay, fuck this. I'm leaving this to you. Bye. Fuck this shit.
I've been abandoned.
Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. I'm out.
Wait, are you telling me that I got on top of the porch for nothing? I have not found anything. I've explored. There are no bugs. There is no nothing. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
Well, I'm stuck.
You just keep going. You just keep
Nope. I need you to save me. I can't pull out my axe to unstick me from this web because I'm riding down on my tuft and now I'm stuck with my tuft in this web. Not entirely sure I'm really all that entertaining to watch, but I still enjoy having. I still have fun streaming. Use that.
I'm so happy.
Happy you have taco? You shit! Fuck you! So the thing is that I react plenty in my own head. And it's not that I need to, like... It's not that I need to fake react to everything, it's that I need to consciously tell myself, verbalize what you're thinking, dude.
The way I play is, for the most part, how I'd play by myself. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, I'm trying to at least share my thoughts with whoever might be watching my videos, so I have to consciously tell myself, hey, verbalize what you're thinking.
I have no life 42. If you want to, I'll jump in your stream.
Where was that scab? There it is.
It's not like I have to wake up in the morning for anything tomorrow.
Shoot. I got another scab.
Oh, you're off on the weekdays for the most part, right?
Me?
42? No,
Oh.
42.
Need to get on top of that. Which means I need to come up here.
Okay.
Raw science.
Yes. Take a picture of it. Send it to me.
Making food.
No, something else. I almost picked up the wrong controller to play with. Guys, I am gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm gonna freak out and I'm gonna be texting my old supervisor that I'm late for work, and then she's gonna be like, "You don't work here anymore."
And you'll be all like, fuck you, you bitch.
It's fine. It's cool. I didn't get my fucking plant, my potted plant thingy.
They were supposed to... oh, yeah, you had one at your desk or something?
No.
No?
It was one that we did for Earth Day. We had all our plants gathered together, and I put a whole bunch of ghost dancing. Taco. I didn't take a picture of my taco. I straight up just fucking ate it like a madman.
You madman!
Guys, this feels like cheating, but I'm doing it anyway.
What are you doing?
the wolf spider stuck on the scaffolding thing, so
Oh, well, take full advantage of that. Kill it.
I know.
That's why the scaffolding is there. Or you're not talking about the scaffolding trap?
So I have the thing where when I stab them, I can have a chance of stealing from them. So I go away for 5 seconds and come back to you murdering spiders. Fuck spiders. I know you're afraid of spiders. I'm not afraid of spiders. I'm afraid of jump scares. Give me buddy. I got it. I got the body. I got it. Yay.
Okay, they must have done something different from when I was playing before.
I don't know what. Okay, is this better? I moved my mic a little bit closer. Is this better? Fin. Finny Fin. 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 Fin.
Finn the human!
Fin. With Jake the dog. Is this better? No, I don't lower this shit. I have supposed to have it optimized where it shouldn't do the thing. I don't know why it's doing it for this game. Oh, because I don't have it for my game capture. Hold on. Is that better? I don't know why I'm yelling. I'm so sorry. I like when he calls me sweetheart though. Call me sweetheart again.
They were making fun of you while you were gone.
What else is new? I like being picked on. They should have done it when I was here. Degrade me, guy.
Yeah, I know you do.
The way you say that is just like, yeah, I know. You kind of suck. Okay. Let's find out when enter battle. Okay, is it just sweetheart? I have a problem.
You do. Many, actually.
What? Name 5 problems I have. Name 5 problems I have, man.
Whoa, what the
Name
fuck?
5.
Oh, because I'm hungry. Do I have any
Name
food
5
on me?
problems I have. No. Let's go back to the problems. Just 5?
Well, you're
That's
unemployed
not
now. That's one of them.
Oh, that's a good bird. That's salty as fuck. Chef knows things before I met you. He's been in my streams since like the fucking beginning.
Yes, Chef. Chef has been the original Maxxie simp.
I don't think there's simping involved. I made this man look up if lizards have nipples.
Yeah, you did. You don't think he wouldn't do that if he wasn't simping?
No, I think I just very
That or he's also into lizard nipples. You know,
I'm just very.
He could
very
be.
demanding.
He could be.
Okay, I don't know if anyone knows this, but I'm a little bit bossy.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Which no one believes me. No one believes me of a lot of things. They're just like, "Oh, you're so sweet."
Well, here's the thing. You're about as bossy as a chihuahua is ferocious. You yap and yap and yap, but you just you wish you had the power to back up your yapping.
I can back up my fucking yapping. What the fuck? You are just on one today, aren't you? What did I do to you? What did I do?
You're just a bottom.
I'm not bottom.
You're so bottom that we made the joke earlier. The only person you can top is yourself.
That's not true. That's not true.
That's not true. That's not possible.
I'm just saying, like.
Oh, looks like Fenn's ready to tell you your 5 issues.
And also the dinosaurs in Ark. What's wrong with the dinosaurs in Ark?
The dinosaurs in Ark, you want to always jump in and fight them, and then they kill you because...
I want to fight them all. I'm so sure. I'm sorry that I think I'm a macho lady.
Yes, once again, Chihuahua. You think
I'm
you're so
not
much
Lola.
bigger and stronger than you are. And now we got the silent treatment.
Oh no, I was replying to somebody. I don't like notifications. They bother the fuck out of me, so I have to get rid of them.
Yes, terribly sorry. Me and Cherry should have probably been just back and forth talking on our own, but we did it in the
I know. I was
grounded
just, like,
server.
No. You can message me. It's fine. I just don't like notifications, so I have to look at them. That's about it. Need that. I can't.
Niga nana quista!
Nina la Cresta. Har. Oh, what am I doing with life? Oh, I should probably drink water. And eat my children. Like a spider does. Eat my young.
Okay, well, have fun with that.
Chomp, 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 chomp. I'm kidding. I want to eat my kids.
It wouldn't be enough filling.
I don't know. My daughter's pretty, my daughter eats pretty healthy.
Shoot.
She only eats yogurt, oatmeal, and applesauce. Now, where the fuck am I going?
I don't know. You kind of just decided that you were going to die.
Oh, we were working on quest so we could get the...
Yeah, we're working on getting to the deep throating of stuff as you apparently are practicing right now.
I'm done. I guess pin that quest. I can figure out where that quest is at. So are you gonna go do the bird thingy?
Working on it, but I keep finding raw science and scabs all over the place, and I keep getting sidetracked gathering them. Of course, the whole point is that we're trying to get raw science, so I'm not off mission. Not really.
So I don't know.
I got 500 more raw science.
What was I thinking about?
I don't know. It's your head.
I don't know.
Don't ask me to go in there. I have no idea what I'll see.
You won't see anything.
Exactly. Your head is a vacant void, apparently.
It is. If you shake it around, you don't hear anything.
No. Actually, there's tiny little particles that kind of like snow, and so you just snow globe
like
mind.
a snow globe.
Exactly.
Just a little snow globe. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask.
Aha! I found what they did different. Connection is blocked. How is it blocked? That's a direct fucking connection.
You're like, fuck you, game.
There's nothing in the way. What the fuck?
Oh, I just broke my ankles. It's fine. Sometimes I wonder what I'm doing with my life.
You're playing games, now lock in.
Am I good enough for this sad world?
No, we want a refund.
Come out of the sky, tacos. No need to ask why. Da, 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 da.
Now, did I introduce you to that song, or did you know it before I
I knew it before.
Okay.
What? Why wouldn't I know a song about raining tacos?
I don't know. It just seemed way too perfect.
Way too perfect. It was just
okay, I seriously have no clue what the hell's in the way of these two things, because I found how we're supposed to get to the bird bath. We're supposed to connect to zip lines, but there's nothing in the way of those zip lines, but it says connection is or whatever it says when something's in the way.
Connection's blocked, yeah.
Connection's blocked. So I'm tempted to just make a grass bridge and bypass the zip line altogether, because I could do that. I could do that.
Why the? I didn't mean to throw that. I can't get back up here. What is wrong with me? Don't answer that, chat.
Actually, I can't do that because they made the connection between here and their zip lines, too. Great.
There we go.
What to do? What to do?
I think sometimes if I was born a male, I'd still be a bottom. Any thoughts on that?
I mean, nothing to add.
You're like, yeah, okay.
Pretty much.
Okay, so I got that done. What else do we have for a quest? I can't make that because I don't have the shit needed for it because I need like fucking... Sorry, I just keep seeing...
I'm going to attempt to parkour across leaves to get there. Screw the zip line. I would like to use the zip line, but it's not cooperating, so fuck it.
At Western Wood Post. Where the fuck is the Western Wood Post? I like to zoom in and out.
Hold on. Western Wood Post, north, south, east, west. Wood post, that would probably be one of those wood posts that are along the pond. So just find one to the far west. I don't know. What's the quest specifically? Shoot!
Stick in the mud. Western Wooden Post. Gonna unpin all of these. Western Wooden Post. If I'm facing this way... Okay, I'm gonna go with this one of these, so I'm just gonna run across this side. Who the fuck is that guy?
Who? What? Huh? Somebody?
I keep getting friend suggestions, and I don't know who they are.
Friend suggestions?
On Facebook.
Oh, right. I haven't been on Facebook since I was like 16.
I used to chat with someone on Facebook, which I probably should just get rid of the app and completely because I don't talk to her anymore.
I use Messenger, but like I don't actually log on to Facebook directly and use like basically the whole thing.
I had a slight falling out with someone. And I only messaged her through Messenger, so... And we are no longer friends.
Okay, so I have now connected it, sort of. I need the I need the silk rope needed. Oh wait, no, actually I have it on me. Great, fantastic. I've unlocked the zip line from backwards. So now you can get here if you want, but I've already parkoured to the other side. Oh, and the crow's here. Actually, I don't think I have...
see the post. I just gotta get up there. But I need the fucking spider to not chase me anymore.
Hello, bird. Oh, wait. There's Bird. Anybody in chat like Bird?
I don't even know if he's listening anymore. I think he bolted and left.
But I got giant Bird in front of me. He's missing his corvid.
Yep. Me, little bug. I don't think Mage is in chat anymore.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck. I fucked up.
Come and get some, bitch.
Crapola.
Ow. Fuck, I'm gonna die.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Damn it!
I am nowhere near you.
Yeah, no. It's fine. It's fine. I respawned at the nearest field station, so that's fine. I was trying to fight the fucking mosquito, but it kept getting just out of range, and then I used up all my stamina. And there's like no room to maneuver up here. It's okay, because I've already unlocked the zip line. I can get back nice and easy. And then I can kill that bitch.
Yes. Slaughter them. Slaughter them all. What would I give if I could? Da 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 da. Nope, don't notice me, Spider Senpai. Don't notice me. I am calmly just building a ramp up here.
I am on the bird bath. Now I just need to kill all the freaking mosquitoes. You know what, bird? You like eating bugs? Eat the mosquitoes. They're right in front of your face. Nice and tasty. Oh, and he's gone.
Leave me alone, please. I just want to build a fucking staircase. I just want to climb up the thing. I want to be left alone. Oh, shit.
Bring it, bitch! Wait, are you stuck? I think it's stuck. No, no, it's not. No, it... No.
You good now? Alright, we're good.
Come at me, you bloody bitch.
Yeah, keep walking, you fucking little fucking piece of shit. It's raining tacos.
Get back here.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Got him. I beat him with his own stinger. Well, not his stinger, but the whatever one stinger we used to make my sword. And there we go.
Love this song.
He's done. Wait, are you playing the song?
No. Someone played the song.
And we got another golden milk molar. How many does that make? We have 6 regular molars and 1 mega molar. Those 6 regular molars can go to upgrades.
Shit.
Where did you go? I want to kill you. Alright, fine.
Fuck that stupid fucking spider.
I don't know how fun that would be, but okay.
Lots of legs, if you like them.
Hairy legs.
Hairy legs are good legs still. Say my legs aren't good enough.
I don't know. Are mine?
Maybe they are. You don't know that. I think you're an attractive man.
My legs are plenty hairy, and so if that's what you're into, then okay.
Really. Thank you, Bodacious. And fucking confirm that they're perfect. Thank you. So,
You know, I've seen the pictures, and yeah, they're pretty good. They're pretty good.
thank you. I think my legs are decent. Actually, I did not kick you. I didn't kick you. Did I kick you? I don't know.
He might
don't
be
think I did.
wishing you kick him.
Just kidding. She didn't kick me.
Like I said, wishing. Okay. Whatever you're working on, I'm coming to help because I've completed my mission.
Oh, I'm almost done. So, it's fine.
Alright, fine. I'll go back to Burgle and upgrade myself a little further.
That'd be a good idea.
I have plenty of regular molars to do it. I don't feel like I'm moving all that fast. Where's my... Oh. Oh no.
Did your shoes break?
Yes, a lot of my stuff is broken. Well,
Sucks.
keep an eye out for some aphids on my way back. Kill an aphid and repair my shoes. Oh, aphid!
I just broke that. I didn't mean to.
What'd you break?
It's nothing. Don't worry about it.
What did you do?
It's on my end. Don't worry about it. Damn it. Thought I could make it. Okay. Oh, just do the... Oh, shit. Oh,
I have no idea how far away you are right now.
I'm very far away. I wasn't expecting to die. I am letting you know it was an accident.
Okay. I mean, you kill yourself on purpose sometimes, so maybe that clarification is necessary, but okay.
Okay, so anywho, anyhow, anyway. I gotta go back to my bag.
Okay, I'm back, bitches.
I feel like we're never gonna finish this game, like I said. It's like,
Oh, we
so
will.
fucking-
We're making progress.
What kind of progress are we making? Because I'm not seeing anything. I streamed for almost
Well,
8
maybe-
hours today.
Maybe you haven't made progress, but I've made progress. I've got the bird bath conquered. I don't know what you're working on.
Please leave me alone. I died again. Don't worry about it. I got slightly distracted by things.
Just a little bit.
Oh. And I just start stabbing the ants.
Don't want any trouble. Immediately proceeds to make trouble.
You know how I do. I have to fight everything. Prove that I'm the alpha. No?
No.
Don't you believe me?
No.
What? Why?
Again, Chihuahua energy.
I can hurt, okay? I can kick someone's ass if I want to. Ye have your little faith in me.
Oh, I have plenty of faith. Faith that you're going to run straight into a Brontosaurus with no plan whatsoever and die immediately.
That sounds about right. That sounds like something I do.
Yeah, it's something you did do.
What are you talking about? That didn't happen. Oh. Oh, damn.
All right, I got strong spider armor now.
Fuck you, spider. Fuck you and your family. Fuck you and your fucking little fucking type fucking shit fucking damn fuck it everything.
Okay, dokie.
I'm a little aggressive.
Still not beating the Chihuahua allegations.
What? Why must you do this to me? What did I do to you, man?
I can't believe you've done this.
Look that real fast. Sometimes I wonder. I am almost at
Almost at what?
180 followers.
Oh. That's good.
I'm proud of me.
I'm so proud of you, Maxxie.
Thank you. That's all I needed to hear in life. Thank you. I've been having a day.
Now, everybody in chat, let's up those numbers!
Oh, hold on. Let me finish making this. My hubby needs my assistant for a second, so give me 1 second.
Okay.
I just wanted to do this. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, I just looked over and I see Spank Me Harder. What the fuck? Bodacious, what? Okie dokie. Well, to each their own. I'm not a judgmental person. Drop off a bunch of stuff. We should probably just make another chest altogether for spare armor stuff, because making too much. Oh. Oh, that's right. I brought a bunch of needles because I need to make more arrows. Yes. That's good. Yeah, I should probably make one more stack. Should also make bandages.
Armor protection, engage.
I have fantastic armor now. At least for this stage. Hmm. What's a nifty needle do? A useful thistle needle that increases damage of fully charged bow shots. Oh, it's armor. Okay, gotcha. Don't need that. Okay, time for upgrades. Full mutations. I think healing, probably.
Performing diagnostic. What would Dr. Ticatelli do?
I feel so alone. Maxie's been gone a while. Wonder what she's up to. Random weed stem. Okay. Jump when I say to jump. What even is that up in the top part of my screen? It looks like there's a waypoint going somewhere, but there's nothing on it, and it's just there.
That tastes really good.
Okay, let's see. What do we need to do? We can't conquer that base until we can make Mint Mace. We can't make Mint Mace until we have other stuff done.
I'm back.
Hi, Maxxie. Oh, I just realized you're
Hi.
huge. Need to change that in my OBS. So how's it going? Everything good?
Yeah. I just talked to people who were gonna look at our roof and stuff. It's a free inspection, so I can't really complain too much. But
Hmm.
the thing is, we can't afford a new roof,
Yeah.
especially because I don't know the state of my life.
Things will get better.
I'm not too worried about it.
Yep. Did you raise the flag over there?
Yep.
All right.
Did it not show? Okay.
No, I didn't notice the notification whenever it happened.
Okay, I'm heading back.
Okay.
Bodacious.
Actually, do you want to head back or do you want to head to the sandbox since it's getting dark? We can take on the antlions and get more parts for that stuff.
I would have to go the long way, so I'm gonna have to stop by the house first.
Okay, well, I'll just wait for you here.
I'm gonna head over to Burgle real fast and kind of see if there's anything else we can do, like refresh it, so that way we could do it on the way over there, because we don't have the fungal things to do the gastral thing.
The fungal things to do the gastral thing.
It's to make one of the smoothies.
We don't have fungal parts.
Fungal something. I can't remember what it's called.
Gastral goo.
Yes.
Fungal growth. We only need one, and I can get that real easy.
No, we need to make 5 of those.
Okay, I can get 5. That's real easy.
Okay, go do that real fast. And I'm gonna...
Armoring up.
I can go get out the blender and make you one. I don't like smoothies.
I like smoothies.
Well, first of all, I'm diabetic, so I can't do most fruit smoothies anyway.
Hmm.
And second of all, it's a texture thing. Unless it's just straight up banana peanut butter, I kind of don't want it.
What the heck is up with me? Okay, there we go.
Oh,
Now
it's not like you knew. I just...
What? No. Oh, in chat. I was like talking about my character. I don't know. Sometimes it feels like I'm not moving very fast, even though I still have all my upgrades on. Or wait, do I? Mutation. Oh! I don't have all my upgrades on. All of my upgrades are gone for some reason.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
reapply them.
Go back to my stream. Love you, bye. Honestly, I could go for some bananas and peanut butter. I've been in the mood for bananas lately. I'll also probably be because my feet keep cramping up, so I kind of been wanting to, like, eat some potassium.
Hmm.
Like, it's been really bad. I was talking to Mage one time, and Mage was like, maybe it's because you're dehydrated. And I'm like, I drink a lot of water. Maybe not as much as I should because I've been drinking more energy drinks than anything. But I am cutting out energy drinks now.
Energy drinks do kind of dehydrate you.
But I'm cutting out energy drinks. So no more to that. I haven't had one since Friday. So kudos to me.
All
I
right,
had
you're on a
one
3-day
Dr.
streak.
And I had one Dr. Pepper, and that's it. I did have coffee, though, but I'm not going to count coffee. We don't need to count coffee.
Coffee definitely dehydrates you. It's a diuretic.
Yeah, but it helps you go. Wake me up before you go. I'm just waiting at the house for you.
Okay. I'm in the area for fungal growth. Just looking for something to kill.
Well, as long as you don't kill my vibe, we're good.
Oh, you can vibrate yourself all you want.
No, no, no. You know what's really sad is all of them were dead one day. And I'm just like, I'm gonna go do something. And like every single one just died. I'm like, are you guys fucking kidding me? Like you little, like, and I have like a mountain of fucking things. And they all just happen to be dead. No, it's
Okay.
fine. You don't need.
I have 5 fungal growth, 6 fungal growth, and I just got raw science.
I like how I tell you this and you're just like, I really don't give a shit, Maxie. This is basic fucking news for me right now.
It pretty much is. Oh wait, and I need a level 3 for that.
Yeah, I've never been shy. I know when and when not to say certain things. But if I'm like around people that I'm like supposed to be friends with, I kind of just don't give fucks.
Oh, we're only supposed to be friends, not really friends.
We are friends. It's all for the clout, guys.
Oh yes, because you need me for clout.
I do. I need you.
I need you like the river needs the rain.
I can't help it. I'm sorry. That was just so funny.
God, I love being so fast. I just ran straight through all of them. They tried to bite me, you could hear it, and they missed every freaking time because they can't catch up.
My brain thought you said I love being so fat for a minute. And I was just like, I've seen a photo of you. You're not fat.
I mean, I would like to lose a few pounds, but that's just because I like to be fit instead of like meh.
You look like this is not to sound mean or anything. You look more on the bulkier side. You look like you do stuff.
Yeah, I do. I definitely exercise a bunch, but like
Oh shit.
my body is more heavy set. I'm definitely not a string bean, but I know I can make my abs show if I actually tried. I need to actually like do a little bit more to burn some fat these days. I haven't been doing that. I've been sitting on my computer editing for upwards of 6 hours a day, and that I'm streaming for 2 to 4 hours a day.
Okay. Pi, you know how I said I lost those shorts? I found them now. I hid them in my drawer, my desk drawer. I literally was moving, like, going to look for a cord to charge. Yeah, I'm so happy too. I was looking for a cord because my Switch, my Joy-Cons are gonna die soon, but I couldn't find them, so I'm just gonna try doing this and see if it'll let me plug it in. So.
Oh wait, one more. There we go.
Come on. Okay, let's see if this will work. If it crashes the game, I apologize.
Wait, what? What's happening?
I had to change controllers.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes games can be fickle.
Yeah.
So I've had one game where, like Minecraft, if you close it out on the Switch, it closes out like the whole game. So I would just be like, well, whenever I see the battery saying it needs to be charged, I gotta make sure I pay attention to that corner. So like my eye would always like look at the fucking corner to make sure. But I got my one thing plugged in and we're good now. I hope I like them too. I haven't tried them on yet, so I will try them on in a bit.
I was
And I will
saying
take
earlier
photos.
that I've never actually had my Switch crash on me, uh, but my sister has. She was playing Pokemon Scarlet, and
Yeah, that one
it
will.
just randomly crashed on her.
I honestly think me and your sister would get along because we have so many fucking games in common.
Okay. Pokemon Scarlet's the only one I brought up, I think.
And she has a Danny DeVito chip.
Yes, the Danny Dorito.
Danny Dorito chip, and that cracks me the fuck up.
Oof.
What, you saying I can't be friends with your sister?
I'm saying that my sister does not like making friends.
Really?
Yeah, no, she has her friend group and she doesn't want to socialize with no one else.
Wow.
She'd rather not go outside if she can help it. So,
Is she slightly introvert?
sure, I guess. Like she's not shy about her opinions and stuff. She just doesn't care to socialize with people. She hates family gatherings. She hates associating with other people's friends. She'd rather just hang out with her friends and her friends alone and call it a day.
Maybe I can't be friends with her.
Yeah, you're too much of a social butterfly.
I am not that social.
You're plenty social compared to a lot of people I know.
A lot of people, like, so I was talking about it with some people, they're just, I'm like, man, I don't really feel like I'm an extrovert. And they just looked at me and they're like, are you fucking kidding me? I'm like, what do you mean? And they're just like, you legitly make conversations to random strangers. I'm like, no, I don't. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I did have that random conversation with someone at Target for almost 2 hours.
Well, there you go.
It's fine. Okay, so I think it's the, do we have it?
What's left?
I'm trying to find which one's going to have the one thing we need.
Very descriptive. I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's the foundation stuff. Or not
Oh.
foundation. It's for the I forgot what it's called. To make the mint, the furnace. Furnace.
Furnace.
But I don't know if we have it.
Hold on. No, I didn't want to throw that. I wanted to open my menu. Craft.
Wow, you got a lot of teeth while you were out and about.
Oh, yeah. Workbench, sap collector, grinder, spike trap, zip line, bouncy web, target, smithing station, fireplace hearth. Cool, cool.
Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna have
Yeah, we don't have that. I think we need to analyze something before that unlocks. But I don't remember what it is we need to analyze.
I don't know either. I've been trying to like stare at this thing.
Something tells me we need to do the Black Ant Hill for more advancement at this point. But to do that, we gotta get the antlion stuff done. 'Cause they're in the way. Alright, well, I'm going to the sandbox.
Oh no, it's the Haze Lab.
The Haze Lab.
Yeah.
Wait, so
for-
we have, in order to make the mint mace that you want to make to fight that all of that stuff, we have to beat all that stuff. Is essentially what you're saying.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Unfortunate.
So I might just take one of my weapons and make it into just add some, make it a little bit stronger for my hammer. We can't make the 3rd level hammer, right?
No, that
Oh, there's
requires the rhino beetle or
so we
whatever it's
literally
called.
can't do anything until we go to the 2nd area.
Yep, I
I
do
will
have.
say, I
Hmm?
will say once we get to the 2nd area, the game does go by a little bit faster.
Oh yeah, because I mean, you get the higher level tools and stuff, so everything starts flying by.
It's also end game.
Motivation is the key to
Yep.
performance.
Let's see. I do have 2
I am
bombs.
struggling jumping. Oh, I'm running. Oh, I'm running really fast. I did the quick thing because I could do 3 mutations now.
Oh,
And I was wondering why I'm running so fucking fast. I literally was just like, I forgot that I equipped it. Boop-a-doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. I need to stop punching things. Where's my hammer? Can I repair this?
I'll be back. I need to grab an aphid.
I thought you meant like you're gonna leave and actually grab, like, get something to eat or something.
No. That we got food at the base.
I meant in real life.
I know. Just need to find 1 aphid. Ah, dang it. Got him. And then repair. No, need Might Fuzz, which is back at base. On my way back.